welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age in Epic Games or Epic Games Launcher. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to open up the Epic Games Launcher, or you go ahead over to epicgames.com and just log in with your account. And once logged in, go ahead over to the top right, click on your profile, and then go ahead and click on account. Okay, so click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will open up a new tab or a browser. So once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on, okay, scroll all the way down. We have parental controls. So just click on it. Now go ahead and enter your PIN. Just like so. Hit on continue or confirm. Now once you're in here under general, just go ahead and scroll all the way down. And here we have the Epic Games Store in Fab. Okay, so what we're going to do in here is just make sure that you set this one to unrated if you want all mature content. But do keep in mind that all games in the Epic Games Store and all content on Fab, including mature content, will be available to your child as well. Okay, if this one is a parent account. Okay, you can set this one to unrated, 18 plus, 16 plus, 12 plus, 7 plus, 3 plus, depends on you. And after that, you're good to go. All you gotta do is just close the browser, reopen Epic Games or the Epic Games Launcher, and after that, enjoy. And that is how you change your age in Epic Games. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.